Although not a popular drink in Australia, soya milk has been used over the last 10 or 15 years by a small percentage of our population. And we certainly have quite a few customers that have requested for us to show you how to use the LS658 to make soya milk. This is a little bit of a process, so just bear with me while I explain how to make soya milk. Firstly, you take your dried soybean and you soak that overnight for a minimum of 12 hours. And then what you do is you take that and you place that into a steamer, or you boil it for somewhere between 20 and 25 minutes. Basically, you're looking for a consistency where the bean, when you pick it up, you can squash it, between your fingers, and it will collapse evenly. So to make the soya milk, prepare the machine by removing the lid. You must use the #1 filter and you place that into the jar. By doing this, you're going to save somewhere in the vicinity of 1 to 1.5 hours when you make a bulk amount of soya milk. I know this for a fact because my wife Holly makes soya milk on a regular basis, and before the ladyship, it used to take her quite a few hours to make the soya milk. The soya milk that we're going to make today is what we call the easy soya milk, which is we've steamed it, we've soaked it, we've steamed it, and that means we can place it straight in the jar and have it ready to drink straight away. So put in about 3 big spoonfuls of soybean, and then take the boiling hot water and pour this in over the top. And you want about 750 ml to a litre. Will make a good quantity of soya milk. Then, if you prefer to have sweet soya milk, add in some sugar. If you don't, that's no problem at all. Just leave the sugar out and you can have it without sugar. Take your jar lid, place that on top. Then lock the safety arm on the jar lid, and then take your jug and place it underneath the tap. As we have before, we'll be turning the tap on within 10 seconds. All we need to do is turn the on button on, wait 10 seconds, and then turn on the tap, and there we have our fresh hot soya milk ready to drink. Once again, you can also see how the steam is venting through the cap, reducing pressure build-up in the jar. Once the soya milk has stopped, stop the machine by pushing the off button, open the safety lid, and I'll just show you how effective the filter has been in retaining the pulp from the soybean. There you can see it. So that's how quick it is. Normally a job that takes, as I said, between 1 and 1.5 hours. And that is just steaming hot, ready to drink. And not only will you love it, but so will your kids. Cheers. That is beautiful.